kids from near and far. Let's learn numbers, here we are. Come together, sing with me, learning numbers joyfully. Look around, what do we see? Number friends for you and me. Shining bright, they come alive. Let's begin our counting vibe. I am one, I stand up tall. Straight and strong, I lead you all. Number one is first, you see. Come and count along with me. I am two, I twist and sway. Curvy dancing all the way. Left and right, I move with cheer. Number two is always here. I am three, bounce with me. 1, 2 curves, now count to 3. Jump up high and giggle loud. Number 3 will make you proud. 1, 2, 3, come with me. Numbers are fun, just wait and see. Clap, 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 count along. Learning numbers in our song. I am 4, strong and square. Building shapes everywhere. Up and down and side to side. Number 4 is full of pride. I am 5, bright and alive. Jump and sparkle, high five. Shining like a star so bright. Number 5 is full of light. I am 6, round and round. Spinning low upon the ground. Loop around and spin again. 6 is fun, come join the trend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Counting numbers fun for kids. Tap your feet and clap in time. Numbers make a happy rhyme. I am 7, up I glide. Like a kite up in the sky. Floating high so light and free. 7 comes so happily. I am 8, loop-de-loop. Round and round, join the group. 2 big circles, see them spin. Number 8, let's all begin. I am 9, fast you'll see. Running quick, come chase me. Loop and dash and race around. 9 is speedy, safe and sound. 7, 8, 9, here we go. Learning numbers nice and slow. Sing it loud and sing it clear. Counting numbers brings us cheer. We are 10, 1 and 0. Counting makes you a hero. Standing strong, together we make the number 10 you see. All together, side by side. Counting numbers with great pride. Hold your friends and sing along. Numbers make us feel so strong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alive! Say it once and say again. We can count from 1 to 10. Numbers, numbers, shout hooray! We can count in a happy way. Dance and sing and spin around. Numbers make a joyful sound. Clap your hands and tap your feet. Counting makes our day complete. Move your body, laugh and play. Numbers guide us every day. From 1 to 10, now you know. Watch your learning grow and grow with Teacher Global leading you. Numbers shine in all you do. Thank you for watching till the end. We'll see you soon, dear little friends. Subscribe, like, and share today. Baby billion dreams all the way. More fun learning coming soon. See you next time, very soon. Baby billion dreams all the way. More fun learning coming soon. See you next time, very soon.